Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Kalampung Elaka State Youth Basketball Championship jong ki bahapo ka Khandrus Namgarta keblapenya da Kyrwoh District Basketball Association ha jinget lang bat ka Meghalaya Basketball Association kalapoi no sya bakut lingba ki jinget kai final ki baitanat hamaran basketball jong St Paul's Higher Secondary School Nongpo. Kini kalampung keblane South Ngilanter kalong shibenta na jing tmu jong Meghalaya Basketball Association ban kentiu ya jinget kai basketball na do ki khna ki badangret karta bat ban pen kre ki samla don sam ki pala ban mikmat ya jella ha ki jinget kai national but international hockey number 1. Ya kalampung lawan ban penha perdana do menteri berikmi ya ketanat sports uba wailat mikishla haringkat ka jinga don lang MLA ka nongpo uba meral bonds im ka MDC na nongpo ka kong Rona Khimdai u deputy commissioner ka Kyrwoh district u Dr Abhishek Saini u SP u Giri Prasad ringkat bat kinoilam ka Meghalaya Basketball Association ki bakentup yo ba Joel Marbanyang uba James M Baman u president Kyrwoh district Basketball Association uba Johnny Lee Lamare u general secretary uba B Marbanyang bat kiwe riu rang ba. Hagajing kai final jongkishen rang kajing khuna preng ka ONYX bat ka St Anthony's School Higher Secondary School kala long ka ba songshit ba hagaban nadu bas dang bro art legi kenhon kile khonting e ban pen e ka sap yele kai ka ba kerpang hagaba ka je kne point kala yat ringkat markat ju. Henry hagaba kot ka ONYX kala la ban pen liem ya ka St Anthony's School dah nru pu pra la nru pu saw basket bat ra sendan ya ka nam Lahduh jong ka ni ka lempung. Hakaliang ki kan Thaipat ka St Mary's kala rai ka nam Lahduh hadin bagalapan liem ya ka kenhon ONYX hagajing kun final. Hadin gajing lek kai kinong penyat ki lasa mi ki trophy ki medal bat ki khusnam shaki kenhon ki balawan ningkong bat baat ringkat bat ki khusnam shimet shaki noy lek kai ki balai lek kai ba hagani ka lempung.
Dr. Abhishek Saini to hand over the prize to the championship team.
Ani
Player of 2026. Well played to all the players.
We have a star program where we have appointed 2 Olympians from Australia who have been scouting all over the state. They have screened almost close to 50,000 of our youth in our state, and we have chosen almost 30 of them in the super elite program, where they will be trained, their diet will be looked after, they will be properly screened by the use of the technology. And just to inform you all that in the recent year, our performance was not so well in different championship or tournament. Last year in the Kyrwoh India tribal game, we finished 29th in ranking all over the country. But because of all this effort and initiative from the government, I am so happy to inform you that this year in the Kyrwoh India tribal game, we ranked 13th. From 29th to 13th. So it is a huge jump, and I am confident that by next year, we will finish in the top 5. So, and as you all know, that we are not stopping, we are moving ahead. And we have invested so much in different sports, and especially in football. As you all know, like I've already mentioned, that we are building the biggest football stadium, and we have the Chief Minister grassroots football program, and then because of this effort, as you all know, that in the recently concluded I-League, which is the top tier football tournament in the country, our very own Shillong Mail finished second. So it is a big thing, and not only that, the most valuable player is from Shillong Mail, who is from Meghalaya. So that shows that we have talent, and not only in boys, but as you all know that Sanfida Nongrum was the most valuable player in the South Asia Football Federation tournament in the recently concluded. So this shows that we are moving ahead, and we are so fortunate, and I must thank our Chief Minister. I hope that with this support, we will see that more and more of our athletes will come, our players will come forward. And as you all know, that next year is a very important year for all of us, where Meghalaya will host the 39th edition of the national game. So to motivate you, to encourage you to work harder, because we all know that moreover you want to bring laurels, you want to make our state proud. At the same time, we want your family to support you, which is not, I would say that in the past, because there is very less future or job security in sports. That's why, which is lacking in the past. So that's why, as you all know, that we have passed the Meghalaya Outstanding Direct Appointment Policy recently, where whoever will bring medal in national game, South Asian game, Olympics or Paralympics, you will be given directly a government job. No need of exam, no need of request or anything. You bring medal, you will get a government job. And we have proved that by handing over the first appointment letter recently to Kyrwoh, who won a medal in the last national game. So I will urge you all, work hard, and especially we also from the Basketball Association, we will push and we will support, and we will see that Meghalaya should perform well in the next, in the upcoming national games.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.